Key to Freedom Guided Meditation. Find a comfortable position where you can be still for a few minutes. It could either be seated or lying down. Close your eyes gently. In the following meditation, we will search for our inner freedom. What is freedom? How do you define freedom? There are many definitions of freedom. It could be the state of not being imprisoned or enslaved, simply being who you are. Freedom can be creating your own identity, freed from the expectations of others, living free of oppression. Freedom could be simply doing what your heart desires, doing something without harming others, moving without limitations, having wings and flying. Freedom is time, doing nothing, not working, going to the beach. Freedom is love, being free to love and to be loved, free to make our own choices. Freedom of action, freedom of thought, freedom of speech. Freedom is equanimity. It is the ability to maintain a balanced mind in the midst of chaos. Freedom is letting go. Letting go of everything. It is said that by letting go, it all gets done. Encourage the process of letting go. Create space to invite awareness and freedom. Listening to your mind, your thoughts, but letting go of the details. Inhale, let, and exhale, go. Keep going for a few breaths, saying the word let as you inhale and go as you exhale. Feel the lightlessness of your body. Follow your discrete breath, the breath of life, the wings of freedom. You are free. You deserve freedom. You are free. You experience freedom. You are free. What images do you see when you hear the word freedom? Wings, keys, the sky, a lock, broken chains, birds flying out of cages. What emotions arise when you hear the word freedom? Where do you feel the sensations or vibrations in your body as you hear the word freedom? Imagine you are holding a key. Not any key, your key. What is the shape of the key? What is the color of the key? What is its size? What is its weight? Is it warm or cold in your hand? What emotions arise from holding this key in your hand? Where do you feel the sensations or vibrations in your body as you hold the key, your key? Freedom lays inside you, and you hold the key to your inner freedom. You notice a doorway in the distance. The door is your personal door. What color is the door? What material is it made of? What emotions arise from seeing the door? Where do you feel sensations or vibrations in your body? As you reach the door, bring your attention back to the key. When you're ready, at your own pace, put your key inside the lock and open the door gently. What you see on the other side of the door is your limitless potential. What emotions arise from seeing your limitless potential? Where do you feel sensations or vibrations in your body as you witness your limitless potential? Repeat the following. I hold the key. We hold the key to our own inner freedom. Freedom lays inside you, and you hold the key to your inner freedom. Draw energy from your inner freedom. Inhale freedom, exhale adversity. Inhaling freedom, exhaling adversity. Keep doing it for a few breaths. Feel the lightness of your body and keep following your discrete breath, the breath of life, the wings of freedom. Repeating 3 times, I hold the key to my inner freedom. I hold the key to my inner freedom. When you are ready, at your own pace, coming back to physical sensations, gently moving toes, fingers, making circles with wrists and ankles, one side and the other side, gently stretching. Feel free to stay here a little longer if you wish. And when you're ready, going back to your daily life, remember that you can always come back to the meditation. Remember that you hold the key to your inner freedom. Namaste.